Welcome to this Shopify tutorial on how to load more products on collection pages. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills to improve your online store's user experience. First, it is essential to understand why loading more products on collection pages is crucial. When customers visit your store, they want to see a variety of products without having to navigate through multiple pages. By loading more products, you can increase customer engagement, reduce bounce rates, and ultimately drive more sales. To load more products on collection pages in Shopify, you will need to access your store's theme settings. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the online store section. From there, click on Themes and then click on the three dots next to your current theme. Select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, you will need to locate the collection liquid file. This file controls the layout and functionality of your collection pages. Once you have found the file, look for the paginate variable, which determines how many products are displayed per page. To load more products, you can modify the paginate variable by increasing its value. For example, if the current value is set to 12, you can change it to 24 or 36 to display more products. Alternatively, you can also use a Shopify app to load more products on collection pages. These apps can be found in the Shopify App Store and can be easily installed and configured. Another approach is to use the infinite scroll feature, which allows customers to scroll through products without having to click on pagination links. To enable infinite scroll, you will need to add a JavaScript code snippet to your collection liquid file. This code snippet will load more products as the customer scrolls down the page. Best practices for loading more products on collection pages include ensuring that your store's loading speed is not affected and that the user experience is not compromised. You should also test your store's collection pages on different devices and browsers to ensure that they are loading correctly. In conclusion, loading more products on collection pages is a simple and effective way to improve your online store's user experience and drive more sales. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can modify your Shopify store's theme settings to display more products and provide a better shopping experience for your customers. Remember to always test and optimize your store's performance to ensure that it is running smoothly and efficiently.